Have an upcoming holiday or design project but no design skills? Don't worry, Fotor's got you covered. Fotor has an astounding library of templates to choose from. Besides the templated sizes, you can also make your own size to fit any of your needs. You can see here all the different sizes and some common ones used often. Let's check out how these templates work. On the left here you can see that there are a large and varied offering of templates. On top are relevant seasonal templates. You can also search on top for the template you're looking for. Let's go ahead and make an anniversary card. You can interact with all graphics, text, and photos in templates and multi-select elements. When you have elements selected, at the top right is a toolbar that includes distribute and align to set the elements professionally. Don't forget you can upload your own photos and give it a more personal feel. With the picture selected, you can apply professional filters, and when you click on zoom, you will get a window where you can see your pictures and which portion is visible in the template. There are a ton of backgrounds you can apply to further add your own style to these templates. Don't forget you can use any photos you've already uploaded to your Fotor cloud and apply them as backgrounds as well. Fotor also offers a dropper tool, so you can pick colors from within the template. Stickers are one of the most fun features that Fotor has to offer. Their stickers cover all kinds of styles. They have simple shapes, and you can apply photos to these stickers. You can adjust their sizes by dragging your mouse, and you can adjust its color and border thickness. You can even employ the dropper tool. The upper left toolbar gives you access to shadow and transparency. You can also move it to the forefront or background. Just type in what you're feeling in the search box because the search function is powerful and flexible. When you drag objects around the template, it will suggest places to set your objects to make it look balanced. Fotor offers a variety of text features that can make any atmosphere or style. You can change the color just like any other object. Take some time to explore the fun options because Fotor has a wide selection. The toolbar here is chock full of tools to use for your text. On the right, you can manage pages in your design, and on the bottom you can title your design, resize it to fit your cover page, avatar, and more. You can preview it before confirming and applying it too, both on mobile and computer. You can also zoom in and out with the plus and minus keys or choose a percentage. Finally, you can preview your design so far and see if it fits what your goal is. Above, you can open a photo from multiple locations, undo a recent change, redo it, sync with Fotor Cloud. On the far upper right, you have your account. Click on the avatar picture to find My Work, which is where you can see everything you've worked on. You can also share to social media with a few clicks and save it to desktop. PNG is great because you can save it with a transparent background, or you can save it as PDF to better protect your design. Ta-da! Just a few clicks with Fotor.